right, yes, we can get a call transcript from high level using our own workflow action, and we can actually see exactly what the call duration was and how much talk time your salesperson or you had compared to the prospect or whoever it is on the phone. It'll literally give you the duration and then the percentage of time. But I'm gonna make you wait to see that because I'm gonna show you how it works first. So what we're doing is we have a call status trigger on this workflow. And this will fire whenever a call completes, inbound or outbound, it doesn't matter, because I don't have any filters attached. And then what we're doing is we're waiting about 6 seconds because this is for testing. I'm sending myself the URL of the call itself, and then we're transcribing that. But if you don't wait this 6 seconds right here, then the call recording won't be there. You kind of have to wait to make sure it's ready. So anyways, we're just doing some testing there, making sure we have the call recording, which is under message.attachments. And then this is my custom transcription app. By the way, if you want access to this app, it's in early release right now, so you can click the link below to get on the wait list. But basically what we're doing is we're sending this call recording to DeepGram. So you would just put in that attachment here, and you would select your model. So we're going to have to do enhanced for this one. Enhanced means basically that it tracks the speakers 1 and 2 really well, and then you can actually get a precise value. If you use the standard model, sometimes it thinks there's like 7 speakers for some reason. It's kind of messed up. And then we're just making sure that the action is successful before adding it to the notes of the contact. So what I'm going to do is this normally uses the recording, but I'm just going to plop in this recording that I have from earlier, just because it's easier than recording a 17-minute phone call while I'm on this loom. And then let's go ahead and test it on my contact. Okay, so we hit start, and it's going to start by going into this 6-second workflow. It's going to be about 6 seconds. Then I'll get this text, which will be an empty attachment because there's no call that actually finished. And then this is the server where it's running, and we'll be able to see that event come through. And so this isn't it. Or this is it, actually. So this is the event. This is all the details that we need. And then it's going to spin up our workflow in the background where we're actually transcribing that call. So it just finished transcribing, and it just finished the actual orchestrative task. And now, if we come back to this contact, and we check back in the notes. Okay, I got it fixed. Like I said, early release. But yeah, there was a bit of an issue, so I had fucked something up when I was messing with it. But here's the transcript at the top, and we can see it has a timestamp, and then the speaker is labeled. So it's difficult to label the speaker with a name because the name isn't always in the call. It's really hard to get this context and correctly kind of translate it. But we do have speaker 1 and speaker 2. And so speaker 1 is the guy I was talking to, and then speaker 0 is actually me. So speaker 0, speaker 1. And if we scroll down past all this conversation, then we'll find our metrics. So we'll see talk times. Speaker 0 spent 7:20, so that's me, 7 minutes and 20 seconds total talking, and speaker 1 spent 9:26, and so I was 44% of the conversation, and he was 56% by time. So there you go. Pretty fucking sick. Like I said, click the link below, and you can get early access.